Hey y'all, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com, and in today's video I am going to be giving you 5 things that you should not be doing if you're trying to manifest something. If there is something that you have not received yet but you know it's coming, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. Feel free to drop a comment as well. In the beginning of my videos I give a little testimonial to give you guys a little motivation. So this one says, my turn. I hope you see this. I saw that you posted about the person who won 75k by following your blueprint. I don't know why I didn't think to tell you this, but I manifested 9,900 a couple weeks ago. I was trying to manifest 8,000 for a down payment on a house. I did like you said and imagine me being in the house with my kids and really loving the house every chance I got because it felt good to visualize. I've been wanting a house so bad, but saving little by little was taking forever. My brother came to me and gave me 9,900. He sold his business and wanted me to get my house sooner than later. I was in tears. I didn't expect it to come from him. Thank you, Amber. What you are doing is changing lives around the world. I love you. Feel free to share mine too because people need to know your stuff works. So my law of attraction tools, my whole bundle with guided scripting sheets, everything is going to be linked in my description box. Instant download. Your email. Make sure you type in your email correctly, please. And thank you. The 5 things that you should not be doing when you want to manifest. Number 1 is overcomplicated. You guys don't realize how many times I get hit up and you guys are like, Amber, am I supposed to be doing it like this, this, and this? Or this, and that? Once you put it out there, you put it out there. When you overcomplicate things, you allow resistance to set in. Look, you have to know without a doubt in your mind that you are going to get what you're asking for. If you put your intentions out there, you work on your vibrations, you're showing gratitude to things that are in your life, you're visualizing, it's gonna come. Don't overcomplicate it. You'll be fine. Number 2 is don't think about things that are not aligned with the story that you're trying to bring into your reality. Sometimes things are not where you want to be, so you think about things that went wrong. For example, you get to thinking about all the bills that are coming out next month. Instead of that, think about all of the money that is flowing to you. You may not even know where the money is coming from. I'm gonna give a quick story. My mother actually told me this story when we were younger. So I am from Inglewood, California, and at the time we moved, my mom and my sisters, we moved to Houston, A-Leaf, and my mom was short on rent. So she called my grandma in Inglewood and was like, hey, can you send me some money? What does my grandmother do? She literally sent her cash in the mail. So you know what happened to that money. That money got stolen out the mail. So now my mother's still short and my grandmother doesn't have the money because she sent her the money that got stolen. My mom was like, well, I'm just gonna pray about it and keep it moving. Before work, she went to the gas station. She picked up her friend. They went to the gas station before work, put some gas in the car. What is on the ground? The exact amount that was stolen in the mail that she needed for rent. My mom looked around, trying to see if anybody's circling back. Nobody was around, not a soul. She said she didn't want to take it inside because then the person probably not even gonna be honest about it. Like, oh yeah, I'll give it to him. And then, you know what I'm saying? So she prayed about it and said, for the person who lost his money, I hope that they get it back tenfold. Went off to work. I told that story because whatever is for you is going to find its way regardless. Just focus on whatever I want is going to find me regardless. Number 3 is worrying about how or when it's going to come. I feel like that adds even more resistance. Feel like, oh, it's gonna come this way. It gotta happen like this. No, the universe is going to get it to you as fast as possible. Like I said, mom went to go get gas. She could have used any other pump, but she pulled up to that pump and the exact amount was on the ground that she needed to pay our rent. Just like the testimonial I read earlier, she was saving, trying to get the down payment for her house. What happened? Her brother walks in and gives her $9,900. But you never know where it's going to come from. Number 4, doubting your ability to receive it. A lot of us don't know how powerful we really are. A lot of us haven't realized that we are kings and queens and young gods and young goddesses ourselves. And until we know, hey, I am a powerful human being and what I desire, I can create. Convince your subconscious mind, I am powerful. What I want desires me. What I want is on its way to me right now. I don't have all the answers, but I don't need all the answers. It's going to show up in perfect timing. We are very powerful humans. We are very powerful souls. But a lot of us are doubting our own selves because of what we've been through. A lot of us were raised in survival mode, but we have to reprogram our subconscious and teach it we are powerful and we can have whatever it is. Whatever I say, I'm going to get. And number 5, staying in a low vibrational place. And when I say staying, I put the emphasis on staying, because I've said in previous videos that it is natural for us to experience hard days where everything is not going to be super happy. We're not going to just have the highest frequency all the time. We are not. But we don't have to stay there. We do not have to stay in that low vibrational place. We don't have to stay angry. We don't have to stay upset. We don't have to stay mad. We don't have to stay jealous or envious. We don't have to stay down there. We can feel our natural emotions, but get them vibrations back up. With that, I want to tell you, don't let nobody have that much influence over you where you are just going to continue to have horrible days. If there's a person around you, I don't know who this is for, if there's a person around you that keeps you in a low vibrational place, there is a good chance you do not need to be around them. You have to start choosing you. But I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/lovegal. My instant download law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box. You can see more testimonials on the website, on the pages. Make sure you watch my other videos. I love y'all. I thank y'all, and I appreciate every one of you guys who like my videos, comment, share, engage, donations, all of that. I love y'all. I thank y'all, and I pray for blessings over each and every last one of y'all lives. And until next time.